Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an bam ta kasngi. Kasngi Republic hanong ba Shillong kalong ba kham kinja bha baduna ki school ki shimbenta bar ki pat ba ki duna banwan pet kai. Nrei kalong ba itanat bhapan namadon ki school ki yo banwan ya shimbenta ka sin baning kong e. Kum ka BDW school nong men song ban shimbenta ka match pass but yo ra sindon ya ka namba ar bla sam do simkut mintu rang ba u ba Sngiawbhalang Dhar. Katba ko Put Muri Presbyterian High Secondary School Shillong kalara ikanam la do bat kabalai college ka Assam Rifle Public School ka Republic Day ka nyop nyosnem ka Madan Polo ulat ka jylla UCHV Jaya Shankar ulara ikalamari National Flag bat ulapet ka jingyan March Pass jongki CRPF BSF District Executive Force East Khas Hills Assam Police 1st MLP Battalion NCC Boys and Girls Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guides, Putmuri Presbyterian Secondary School, Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Mauplang, BDW International School, Assam Rifle Public School, Kendriya Vidyalaya Nehu, Brass Band Meghalaya Police, Boarding Wing Home Guards, but Border Security Force. Hagani ka jingyalang patba u governor ula IT ru ika State Award 2026 kata Utirot Singh Award hagabenta ka art but literature sha u Dr. Ken Pham Singh Nongkanri Patogan and Sangma Award nagabenta ka social services sha Father Binoy Joseph but ukyang Nangba Award hagabenta ka sport and games sha ka Samlari yo lang
Secondary School led by Miss Amiki L. Nonglang. Arriving at the saluting dais, and to take the salute now is the contingent of JNV Mauplang, led by Master Medondor L. Nonglang. Taking the salute now is the contingent of the BDW International School, led by Master Ryngkat Mauplang. Arriving at the saluting dais and taking the salute now is the contingent of the Assam Rifles Public School, led by Master K. Lalvin Kulwana. And finally, taking the salute now is the contingent of the Kendra Vidyalaya Nehu, led by its commander, Master Benhanan Ethan Ryngkat.
The
Patogan and Sangma Award 2026 for social service is being awarded to Father Binoy Joseph. He is a distinguished social leader, cooperative pioneer, and development practitioner whose work has transformed the socio-economic landscape of tribal communities in Meghalaya. 26 for sports is being awarded to Ms. Sngiawbhalang Dhar. She originally hails from West Jaintia Hills and is present. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a moment of immense pride for the state and a matter of great honor to recognize one of our distinguished citizens. The Government of India has been pleased to confer the prestigious recognition of his invaluable contribution. May I now respectfully request the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, the Chief Guest for the State Republic Day function, to kindly felicitate the Padma Shri awardee Shri Haliwa on behalf of the state of Government of Meghalaya. For the march past. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for all the marching contingents, particularly